students, good morning. Welcome to online maths class for 8th standard. Chapter number 4, exercise 4.4, question number 5. If 6 containers lorries can transport 135 ton of good in 5 days, how many lorries are required to transport 180 tons of goods in 4 days? Here more lorries means 6 plus x. We don't know that the unknown. This is 6 plus x. More than means. Right. This is the unknown. You have to compare the unknown and first one. So number of goods. Number of goods is number of goods. Tons is increases means we need a number of lorries. This is direct proportion. And then second one. Number of days. Number of days decreases means here number of days decreases means less number of the working is a less number of days decreases means lorry also so the lorry here lorry increases means days increase. So lorry here number of lorries increases means number of day work is decreases. This is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means this side you keep as it is. If it is a direct means this get reciprocal. This is inverse. Inverse proportion. Here that is 6 plus x is equal to 6 into 180 divided by 135 into 5 by 4. This one only get reciprocal. And then, so now strike out using fifth table. This one. And then 2 5s are 10 and here remaining 3, 7 5s are 35. This and this get using 3 table. This is 2 times and this one is 9 times. Again using 9th table, this and this 20 times. Again using 2 table, this is 2 times and 20 and 2 we get 10. So here we get 10. 6 plus x is equal to 10. 6 transfers to right side means it get minus. It's a negative sign. We subtract, that means x is equal to 4. 4 more lorries required. Totally 6 plus 4 which is equal to we need 10 lorries, right? So 4 more lorries are required. Next example, sum number 6. A can do a piece of work in 12 hours and B and C can do it in 3 hours, whereas A and C can do it in 6 hours. How long will B alone take to do the same work? Here given A separately and B and C together and A and C together. You have to find B separately. At first you have to find A, B and C together, all the three. This can be written as A and B, A separately, that is 1 by 12 per day work, that is per hour works, that is 1 by 12, and B and C is that is 3 hours means 1 by 3, and then you are adding these two, we get all the three together work. Here 1 by 12 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 3, that is here using LCM means say different denominator, you have to take LCM. So using 4 here, multiple with 4 means here and 4. Numerator and denominator multiple with 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Keep as it is. 5 by 12. And the next one, you have to find separately B alone. Here A and C is together is given, that is 6 hours, that is 1 by 6. Per hour work is 1 by 6. Here you have to separate all the three, we know. From this you have to separate A and C means we get B value. We get B separately. And then you have to subtract all the together work is 5 by 12 minus A and C is 1 by 6 work. Minus 1 by 6. Here you have to multiple with 2 into numerator and denominator, multiple with 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 12. These two using same table. This 1 3 is 3. 1 4, 4 3s are 12. That means 1 by 4. B alone take 4 days to complete that work. Next sum number 7. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do it in 15 days, whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. How long would each take to do the same work? So you have to find separately A, B and C. Here together work is given, so you have to add all that work. A plus B, A, B and B, C and CA. You add it means we get that is which is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. We get 2A plus 2B plus 2Z. That is per day work. You have to take LCM 12, 15, 20. 12, 15, 20. 15, 20. Using these two in let us take a fifth table. 2 as it is. Here 3 times. Here 4 times. Again using fourth table. This is 3 times, 3 times and 1 times. Again using 3 table. Here 1, 1, 1. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3. Here 60. Denominator is 60. Here denominator is 60. Here 12 is there. So 12 5s are 60. So 5 here. And then 15 is here. You have to 15 into 4. 15 into 4 we get 60. So 4. Here 20 is there. 20 into 3 we get 60. So 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 what is 9? 9 plus 3 12. We get 12 by 60. 12 by 60. We get 12 by 60. Here 2 into A plus B plus C. So 2 is there. So 2 transfers to this side means it get divide. Using 12th table, this is 5 times. 5 2s are 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. We get A plus B plus C together work. All A, B and C together work means we get 1 by 10 of work. 1 by 10 of work. Here you have to find separately. We need A means you have to subtract it with BC. BC work that is 1 by 15. 1 by 15. Here you take LCM 10 and 15 means 10 and 15 means using fifth table. Here 2 times and here 3 times. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Here 30. Right? Here 10 is there. So 10 into 3 30. Here 3. And then here 15 is there. Remaining 2 is here. 5 3s are 15. What is remaining? 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 30. That is 30 days. He completed. The A take 30 days to complete that work. And the next one. You have to find similarly B. We need B means you have to subtract A and C. A plus C. That is subtracted A plus C. That is 1 by 10 minus A and C's work is that is 1 by 20. 1 by 20. You have subtracted 10 comma 20 using fifth table. This is 2 times and this one is 4 times. Again 2 table. 1 comma 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. Here LCM is 20. Here LCM is 20. LCM. Here LCM 20. So here you have to multiple with both 2 and 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 by 20 answer. That is B take 20 days to complete that work. And then you have to find the C. C means subtracted from AB. AB's work, that is AB's work is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. 1 by 10 and then here 12. 10 comma 12. You have to take LCM 10 comma 12 using these two in 2 table. 5 times. This one is 6 times. 5 2s are 10. 10 6 are 60. You have here we get a 60. Here 10 is there. So you have to multiple with 6. 6. We get 6. Here 12 is there. So 6 2s are 12. What is remaining? 5. Here 5. Subtracted means 1 by 60. C takes 60 days to complete that work. I think so you understood. Next, sum number 8. A carpenter A takes 15 minutes to fit the part of a chair, while carpenter B takes 3 minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the part of 22 chairs? If they working together, so how many time to take to fit the 22 chairs? Here A is given, that is 15 minutes. Here more than 3 minutes. Here 15 plus 3, 18. Here 18. This is 18, right? 18 minutes. So together means you have to add. Here 15 comma 18. You have to take LCM, different denominators. So these two in 3 table. Here 5 times and 6 times. 5 3s are 15. 15 6 are 15 are 15. 15 into 6. 15 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Remainder 3, 90. We get 90. That is 90. Here 1 is 15 means 5 3s are 15. Here you have to add 6. Here 6. And then here 18 is there. 6 3s are 18. You have to add 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 what is? 11. 11 by 90. Or here together work is 11 by 90. You have to find, say if they work per day work, that is total work is you have to calculate, that is 1 divided by 11 by 90 can be written as 90 by 11 minutes. You have to again convert to minutes. So not a per day, as usual work, that is so 1 divided by that work, right? And then you have to multiple with 22. So using 11th table, this is 2 times 2 into 90, 180 minutes. You have to convert to hours means divided by 60. Divided by 60. This and this get cancelled. 0 and 0 get cancelled. Using 6th table 3 times. How many hours? 3 hours. Next question number 9. A can do a work in 45 days. He works at it for only 15 days. And then B alone finish the remaining work in 24 days. Find the time taken to complete 80% of the work. If they work together. If they work together. A complete the work in 45 days. So that is, this can be written as 1 by 45. 1 by 45. But A complete only 15 days work. 15 days work. That means into 15 means 15 divided by 45. So 15 using 15th table, this and this we get 3. That is 1 by 3. What is the remaining part of work? Whole work can be considered as 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 2. 2 by 3. So remaining part of work is 2 by 3. If A complete the 24 days means 2 by 3 divided by 24. So denominator 3 into 24. So using 2 table, 24 means 12 times. 12 into 3. 12 into 3 is 30. 1 by 36. 1 by B alone 1 by 36. 36 days. Take 36 days. But we need together work means, if they work together means, what is work together? 1 by 45 plus 1 by 36. 45 comma 36 you have to take LCM means using 9th table. Using 9th table, that is 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36, right? And then 9 4s are 45 into 4. 45 into 4 is 180. 180. That is here 5, here 45. 45 means remaining 4. So add 4. 4 here 36 means what is remaining? 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 using 9th table. 180 means 20 times. 1 by 20. 1 by 20. X days work, that is we don't know that X days work. So that is here percentage is given. Percentage is given. X divided by 20 equal to 80% of work means that is we don't know the X days work. That is transfers to this side means it get multiple. Multiple means 0, 0 get cancelled, or otherwise 20th table 100 means 5 times. In 5th table 80 means 16 times. See 80% of work means that is 16 days. Take 16 days. Next last question. 10th question. A is thrice as fast as B. If B can do a piece of work in 24 days, then find the number of days they will take to complete the work together. Work together. If B work is 3 days means A work is 1 day. A work is 1 day. Here B work is given 24 days. That means 24 divided by A work. What is A work? Divided by 3 means we get 8 days. Together work. That is together work means given formula AB divided by A plus B. That is 24 plus 8 is 24 into 8 divided by 24 plus 8 is 32. Here using 8th table, here how many times? 4 times. In 4th table 24 how many times? 6 times. That is work together means 6 days. 6 days. I think so you are all understood. Revise all the sums. Thank you children.